A few months ago, Meta started integrating Meta AI, its ChatGPT-like AI-powered chatbot into WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger in India. The company says the new text-based experiences are powered by Llama 2, but it is using Llama 3 for image generation capabilities. Like on WhatsApp, Meta AI on Instagram can be accessed by simply swiping right from the main screen and tapping the top search bar in the app's DM section. Once you open Meta AI, you can either ask the chatbot the question of your choice or tap on some pre-written prompts. Once the conversation with the chatbot begins, it will appear under your messages. What can Meta AI do on Instagram? Powered by a combination of Llama 2 and Llama 3 large language models, Meta AI Review can help you with a wide range of tasks like creating stickers from scratch, helping draft captions, writing messages, generating images, plan trips, summarize long paragraphs of text, and even help you get the latest news headlines. However, as is the case with AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, and AI-powered search engines like Perplexity, Meta AI can sometimes be inaccurate and is prone to hallucinations. And while you can modify images generated by Meta AI, which are on par with the DALL-E-powered Microsoft Designer, sometimes the image generated may not resemble your prompt. Owing to privacy concerns, it looks like Meta hasn't given its AI chatbot access to personal conversations, but you can use Meta AI to rephrase, shorten, lengthen, or make your personal message funnier or more supportive, or add emojis to it. If you want to use Meta AI when talking to someone, tap on the pencil-like button on the left side of the text bar to modify your written text, like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. Meta AI on Instagram can also come in handy to plan trips, get recipes for dishes you come across, but it cannot analyze files like these popular chatbots. Instead of being a full-fledged chatbot that can do it all, it looks like the company wants to make Meta AI more practical by letting users get the information they want without having to leave the app.